All right, so covalent bonds work much the same way. It's just there's one extra step. So we'll go through formulas first. They use prefixes. So here we see phosphorus, and it doesn't have a prefix. If it's the first one, that means that it's just going to be 1. So that means that I have 1 P. Then dibromide right here, bromide is Br. Again, they have the IDE ending, that's actually bromine. So that's Br, and then di means 2, Br2. And that's just the whole compound. Here you see hexaboron. Hexa means 6, boron is B, so that would be B6. And this just says silicide, so that would be, because there's no prefix here, that would just be Si for silicon. Chlorine dioxide. There's nothing here, which implies that it's 1, so that would just be Cl. And then dioxide, that means O2. Nitrogen triiodide, there's nothing here, so N, and then I3. Hydrogen iodide. It doesn't give us any mono, di, tri, any prefix at all, so that would just be Hi. Diboron trisulfide. So di means 2, tri is 3. Think about like a tricycle has 3 wheels. So B2, S3. And you don't have to do any weird pop, block, and drop it for any of this. It's actually a lot more straightforward because you don't have to switch the charges. So iodine, there's nothing here. That implies only 1 I. Pentafluoride. Penta is 5, so that would be F5. Dinitrogen tetraoxide, N2. Tetra is 4, O4. Pentaboron, penta, remember, is 5. Nona hydride, that would be H9. Now, N2, dinitrogen is 2. Trioxide, O3. So there's no real thing to trick you, like you don't have to switch the charges like you do in ionic compounds. You just have to memorize the prefixes. There's going to be a chart on the Google Doc for M3B that you can look at, but you will have to have that memorized.